Hey everyone, Paul here, and if you've dreamed of earning income from home but felt confused by digital marketing, this video is going to change that. I'm going to break down everything down simply that even complete beginners, even people who aren't tech savvy, can finally get started with confidence. Let's dive in. Here's the truth nobody tells beginners. You don't need a website, you don't need a big audience, and you don't need advanced tech skills. What you do need is the right strategy and permission to start small. Most beginners struggle because they try to show up everywhere at once. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and it's exhausting. And it's impossible to stay consistent. Here's the fix. Choose one platform and master it for 30 days. Love short videos? TikTok or Instagram Reels are perfect for you. Prefer detailed explanations? Then YouTube is your answer. If you like writing, then Facebook groups or posts will help you along the way. Focus on one platform builds confidence, momentum, and real results. Choose one product that solves a real problem. Digital marketing only becomes hard when you promote random things. Instead, choose one quality product that, number one, pays high commissions, number two, solves a real problem, number three, has high demand, number four, comes with training and support, and lastly, is beginner friendly. That's exactly why I guide people into programs that already have the product, the funnel, and the training built into it. You can plug in and start, no guesswork and no overwhelm. Use a simple value-first content strategy. People don't buy from the loudest marketers, they buy from the ones who help them. Here's the formula that works even if you're shy or brand new. Share one small tip, recommend your solution. Examples. Here's how to save 3 hours work if you're not tech savvy. For a done-for-you system that helps you earn from home, check the link below. Here's what I did when I started with no experience. If you want the simple step-by-step blueprint, the link is below. These are short, helpful, and human. This is how beginners grow fast. Websites confuse beginners. Funnels simplify everything. A done-for-you funnel, number one, collects leads automatically. Number two, follows up with them continually. Number three, sells the product. And number four, works 24/7, even while you're asleep. This removes the hardest part so you can focus on sharing value, not building tech. Most people quit before they give themselves a real chance. They expect results in days, not weeks. But here's the truth. Digital marketing is simple. It just isn't instant. Give yourself 30 to 90 days. Every successful marketer, even the top earners, started with 0 followers, 0 experience, and 0 confidence. What separated them from everyone else? Consistency. Trying to figure everything out by yourself turns a simple path into a stressful one. A community or mentor saves you months of trial and error. Whether you join my done-for-you affiliate program or another one, make sure it includes clear step-by-step guidance, daily action steps, support when you get stuck, and a proven system that you can plug into immediately. With the right guidance, what once felt confusing becomes completely doable. If this video helped you and you want the simplest way to start digital marketing with a funnel, content, tools, training already done for you, the link to my beginner-friendly program is below.